A very warm welcome to all of you once again the video tutorial lecture series presented by Professor Rakesh Gedam. Today's agenda is try to understand the C programming language and why C programming language considered as so much important for not only a computer science student or a computer science professional but also for different computer user who work or who want to willing to work with C programming. So let's try to understand in a bit depth why C programming considered as the one of the important programming language. So C programming considered as the mother language because most of the compiler like JVM, kernel, etc. are written in the C programming. Next, C is a portable language because we can move a C program from one platform to another another platform and run it without any or with minimal changes. Then next important aspect of C is that because of its speed, C programming is faster than the most of programming language like the Java and Python because it is considered as the middle level programming language. Then it is a procedural language. So C instruction is executed step by step and procedure known as a functions, method, routine and subroutine. Procedural language specified the series of steps for a program to solve the any particular problem and hence C programming is considered one of the important programming languages. C is the structured programming language. C considered as the structure programming language means it's break the program into a part or a block that can easy to understand and debug. Then C considered as a general purpose programming language because it is used to develop the operating system, embedded system, databases, etc. And most important characteristic is that the C is a middle level programming language because it supports the capability of both low level and high level programming language. So due to these different features or different characteristic of a C programming language, C is considered as the one of important programming language, not a matter of concern that how we are so advanced in term of programming language, even though there is a certain space always recommended for the C programming. Say, so our C programming is nothing but considered as the mother of programming language due to its portability, speed, procedural language, then structure language, general purpose language, and due to its middle level programming language, the existence of C programming still exists in the market. So let's discuss about the history of C programming. So Dennis Ritchie, considered as the founder of C programming language, in AT and Bell Laboratory in 1972, Dennis Ritchie founded a C programming and hence he is known as the founder of C programming language. Here is the history recommended for C programming. Say the journey started from 1960 to 1920, bit incremented. So first version of tried to develop with the help of Algol with international group, then BCPL, that is basic programming language. Then in 1970 came Thomson evolved the B programming. In actual 1972, as I told, Dennis Ritchie started working for C programming, and then Cunningham and Ritchie further give some incremented and known is K and R. K for Cunningham, R for Ritchie for C programming. Then in 1989, ANSYS, that is American National Standard for Information Interchange Committee, come up with the bit incremented for C programming. Then NC and ISOC, that is ISO committee, give further modification in 1990, and 1999 C99 with the standardized committee is give some modification for the C programming. And today in 1999, after in 2011 C11, which is standardized by standard committee, and till date we are working. So those are few features for C programming. Say C is a portable, middle level, structured, extensible, recursive, pointer, faster, and good memory management tools. And due to its simplicity, we will still use the C programming. Those are features which is described with the help of diagram. So simple mean it provide the structure approach, that is break the program into a part with the help of rich functions, library, data type. Machine independent portable, like means we can run any C program in any platform. Middle level programming language means it accommodate the feature of low level as well as a high level programming language. Structure programming language means we can break down a program into a part and then try to work on an individual function, which easier to debug and code. And it provide the rich library for inbuilt function which lead to be a faster development. Then for memory management perspective, we have the dynamic memory allocation with the help of reloc, malloc, alloc. Then its speed due to its mm, middle level programming language. It is very much faster than the other high level programming language. Then pointer is one of the greatest advantage of C programming language for memory management perspective, structure and function, and sometime we will use with array. Recursion means call a same function again and again until the termination condition will arrive. And recursion will reduce the lots of code while working with the C programming. And we can easily adopt new feature with the help of C programming. Hence, it is known as the extensive programming language. We can compile our C programming with the help of this particular diagram. We try to understand. First of all, we have the source code, that is whatever may be the program with .c extension. Then it is passed to the preprocessor. Then code is going to expand. Then this code is provided to the compiler. Then compiler take this code and assemble this code and send to the assembler. Then assembler create the object code, and then linker is come into play. With the help of library and other object file, we will produce the executable code. Then there are some fundamental aspect for designing the C program, that is character set. Like was the any other programming language or any other natural language, we have some set of character to build a program. Those character sets are nothing but a source character set and executed character set. Likewise, the alphabet, digits, special character, white space considered as the source character set, whereas execution character set are considered the escape sequence. Those are nothing but few example of how character set are look like that. Say character considers as a alpha numerical character. Likewise, the uppercase letter A to Z, lowercase letter say small a to Z, then digits from 0 to 9, then few special symbol say like tails, percentage sign, vertical bar, at the rate symbol, plus, less than, equal to, minus sign, question mark, commas, etc, etc. There are some white space character, say forward slash b, forward slash T for horizontal, forward slash V for vertical, then forward slash F for force speed, forward slash N for a new line, backslash for double backslash for bail, then single code letter, double code letter, etc, etc. So thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned and watch for few our upcoming videos. Thank you very much.